Congratulations, Ecuador.
Present the award for the third runner-up. We shall call in the PEP's Director for Multimedia, Ms. Marian Gala.
The third runner-up for the 6th annual Man of the World is Man of the World, Puerto Rico!
PEP's Creative Director, Jun Salud, will present the award. And for the first, and Mother J. Samonte. For the first runner-up, Director for Logistics and Production Design will be presented by Mr. Mervin Gala. Alright, so the second runner-up belongs to Man of the World, Ron!
The new Man of the World is Man of the World, Venezuela! And the first runner-up is Philippines!
The new Man of the World, we have PEP's Director for Licensing, Mr. Aski Pascual, with PEP's President Carlo Morris Gala, and the CEO of Queen's Wellness, Ms. Mary Ray Suliano, together with the Man of the World 2022, Aditya Kuranha. The winner of the 6th Man of the World will also become the Ambassador of Queen's Wellness Spa.
Ladies and gentlemen, your new Man of the World is Venezuela! You may now take your first victory walk as the new Man of the World.